Everybody lives near nature. Every kid lives near nature. We've just somehow forgotten how to see it. We've spent too much time watching David Attenborough documentaries where the nature is really sexy. And we've forgotten how to see the nature that is literally right outside our door.
Before I went into architecture, the human skin is the organ that naturally regulates the temperature in the body. And it's a fantastic thing. That's the first line of defense for the body. It has pores, it has sweat glands, it has all these things that work together very dynamically and very efficiently.
The main concept of the design is creating a flexible and adaptable dwelling where residents can influence the size of the house according to their needs, mood and time of the day, while using breathable and smart materials to benefit from the weather and climate patterns.
Main focus of this design was creating a new kind of community living style that can provide you different degree of privacy and flexible residence layout with sliding peruse walls. The courtyards between the residences encourage the user to be part of the community and the connection with nature by feeling the water green sound of nature.
By considering dynamical structure, we could abstain to waste energy. However, creating a dynamical facade led us to control the temperature, also having natural air circulation. Furthermore, it lets habitants to experience different atmosphere.
The concept is that privacy is achieved by height difference. By doing so, there are no hard boundaries between private and public. The higher you will get in the plan, the more private you will be. Sleeping will be on top, living will be on the ground floor.
The concept of the design is to use smart materials to make this building adjustable according to the seasons, weather, or the needs of the family living there. So it's expand during heat days and shrink during cold days.